Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to use Revolut abroad. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right in the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now, when using Revolut for payments abroad, you can make transactions with a physical debit card or a virtual card if you were back home. If you have holdings of the local currency, you'll simply pay the vendor like a local. If you only have holdings in foreign currency, then Revolut will handle the currency exchange using the real exchange rate. For example, if you have USD holdings on Revolut and spend while in the EU or European dollars, then your dollars will be converted to euros at the point of sale. As long as you stay within the £100 monthly currency exchange limit, there are no fees to worry about. If you go over the limit, there's a fair usage fee of 0.5% and weekend surcharges may apply. However, with Revolut Metal Plan, there is no spending limit. For person-to-person payments within the Revolut network, there are no monthly limits. Enjoy free transfer with the Revolut users. You can request and send money or split bills with friends using Revolut app too. And that's basically how you can use your Revolut abroad. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.